Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I'm Susan and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thank you for tuning in. Now, y'all listen, okay? I had to get a little bit glammed up because of what I'm unboxing today. This has been one of the most interesting rides to find this bag. Now, you all are probably gonna be like, oh, this bag better be costing thousands of... No. There is a specific reason why I needed this bag. Little background, when it first was going to launch, I saw it on Twitter, I was like, oh, I need to have at least one of these because it is part of my namesake. So, I'm like, okay. I did all the appropriate things. I found out when it was launching and I'm like, okay, marked it on my calendar, set the alarm in the phone. I'm like, all right, cool. Sold out in 3 minutes. Okay. I happened to be in Vegas in July at the time and it hadn't even launched yet. I was with an SA named Christine at the LV shop in the Crystals. God bless that woman because she tried her hardest. I knew of it before they knew of it. So, you know, let me adjust my clothes, I'm sorry. Oh, this is just, Now, y'all aren't gonna probably like it as much as I do, but you'll see why. So, she put my name down and then she had called me and she's like, oh my God, it sold out in 3 minutes. I'm like, wait, what? Like, are you for real? Like, okay, so I called and looked through every LV store possible, even out of the country. They could not ship it to me. I'm like, I don't have enough clout or money for that, so, you know, whatever. But I did call the 800 number, 866 number, and spoke with someone, and they put me on a reserve list. And they're like, if one comes in, you'll be the first one we call on the reserve list, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, yeah, all right, thanks. That was like last month, maybe August. Lo and behold, an email came in and was like, hey, your bag is in. You have 2 days to respond. Oh, hold on, let me just type this in right now. Blah, 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 blah. Here's my, call them. Now, at first, the lady, she didn't understand what I was saying. I'm like, look, I have a reservation for this. Here's my number. She just thought like I was interested in the bag and was like, oh, okay, well, we'll put you down. No. I need this bag. I have it reserved. So you need to send me the payment information because we are not going to play that game, okay? I got the bag. It came overnight. Let's do a little unboxing, shall we? Oh, it's so pretty. Y'all ready? Because I am. Okay, you know what? I feel cheated for a minute because they put all my ribbon in here. Like, for real? Like, you can't, whatever. Anyway. Obviously, they can put your receipt. Y'all don't need to see all that because, you know, it's got my information on there. Oh, what's this? It's a little itty bitty card. Hold on. I don't know what it says. Oh, it's really sealed. Are you for real? Like, okay. We'll pretend that said thank you for buying this. Now, is this bag right here. Y'all don't even know. And yes, if you look at my nails, they are clouds. I did it just for this video because y'all are so special to me. But yes, this was the A4 pochette. Now granted, this is a man's bag. However, I do not care. This bag right here means such a lot to me, only because, as you all see, the name of my channel is The Ordinary Snob, but you also see that my last name is cloud. So I'm excited. This is the inside of the bag. So yes, this is that piece right here that I love because I'm excited to have this, as you see. Yes, my nails do match. I'm so excited for these nails and this bag. You have no idea how much I wanted this bag. I literally almost cried when I couldn't get it because I wanted to be like, Virgil, Mr. Virgil, can you please send me this? I'll pay for it. Just make another one, please. So yes, it's the A4 pochette. I call it the Cloud Collection. To be honest, I actually don't know the name of the collection. That was so stressful, I started sweating. And these lights don't help either, so. Hold on, oh Lord. That's how excited I am about this bag because that bag meant everything to me. I know it shouldn't, but it did. And that's all I got. So, whatever, hold on, let me make this fan, make it look like a flowing hair. No, I don't have my hair down, that's all right. Anywho's, this, sorry, I don't think y'all understand. I will carry it a few times. It is more, I guess, of a summer bag, but you know what? I really don't care. And I wear it wherever I want, when I want, because it's mine. So, yeah. So, that is all I have. I wanted to share that I did finally get this. And now I have a bag with my name on it. The Cloud Collection. So, yeah. So that's all I have, and thanks for tuning in to The Ordinary Snob, and we will see you next time.